up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a super fun and kind of different video. I'm kind of combining a makeup tutorial along with some live swatches in one video. Also, if you couldn't tell, my hair is lighter now. I'm in the process of going blonde, and what a process it is. Right now I'm kind of in that awkward stage. Anyone who has been dyeing their hair dark for years, I mean, my hair is naturally really dark. My root is, you know, I'm like a dark brunette, but between touch-ups and things like that, I just have years of hair color left on my hair. So we're stripping it right now. It's been a long process and it's kind of at that awkward, icky color. And it's not her fault. It's just the way the process goes if you know anything about transitioning to a blonde lifestyle. So yeah, hair's lighter. It's going to continue to get lighter. I'm kind of wondering if I should bleach my eyebrows. Is this a little dark, or is it like okay to have a dark eyebrow right now with blonde hair? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Anyway, today we're going to be doing live swatches of the Colourpop LUX glosses. I originally wasn't going to do this video because I really didn't think many people would care about lip gloss, so I didn't do it. And then after the product launched, I got so many requests saying, Shay, like, where the hell is your live swatches of the new Lux glosses? So I was like, wow, I'm an asshole. Why didn't I do it? So that's what we're going to be doing today, but it's really just, what is it, like 8 lip glosses? We only have 8 lip glosses here, so I thought I would also do a quick tutorial using the URAQT palette. I've had a lot of people ask me to use this as well, and if you know anything about me, I am terrified of the color purple. I just am. I don't love it. So when I saw this palette, it scared the shit out of me because it's a lot of purple. But I'm gonna push myself today and we're gonna use it and we're gonna do some purple. So I'm hoping I can learn to love purple. So I'm gonna do the makeup tutorial portion first, but if you only care about the lip swatches, I feel you, girl. I will put the timestamp to the lip swatches right here in my video, as well as in the comments. That way you can click it and it will take you directly to the lip swatches if you give no hoots about this eyeshadow palette. But I didn't want to just upload a video about lip gloss swatches. That seemed kind of boring to me. So anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Just gonna clip my hair back for the tutorial portion. Oh my god, it's like gender reveal hair clips. I'm not pregnant. This is a cute palette and I have not used this yet. I did not live swatch it, nothing. Oh, where do I want to go first? This is hard. The closer I look at this palette, this actually is gorgeous. I'm a little shocked that I ignored this palette. It's actually really pretty. Oh, I think I want to first go into this shade First Dates. I think it's going to be a bit of a kind of like rosy color, which you know I'm always drawn to. And I want to run this through our transition space here. Oh, wow, yeah. I knew it would be a little bit more vibrant than it looked in the pan for some reason. This is my Sigma E35 blending brush. Oh, wow, that's much more vibrant than I thought it was going to be. Just blending that back and forth. Do not load your brush up with this color, you guys. It is so pigmented. This is with hardly any shadow, so if you put too much on your brush, it's gonna be just like pink everywhere. Next, I want to pop into the shade Too Hot For You. This is my Sigma E50 fluff brush, one of my favorite brushes of all time. If you ever just need like a quick layer of shadow on your lid, this brush is just, it's amazing. It's so good. You can also blend with it. Like I'll start to blend out my transition tone with it. It's just amazing. It's one of my favorites. Very pigmented. That really brightened it up, didn't it? You guys, I feel like I got hit by a truck. I was building furniture all weekend. We got a new TV stand, one of those really cute ones with like the faux fireplace in it, because our house right now does not have a fireplace, but I always wanted that kind of cozy ambiance. So I got a really cute one during the Wayfair President's Day sale. They had some great sales. I had been waiting on this for like, oh my god, almost a year, because I'm a frugal little bitch like that, and I will wait years to own one piece of furniture. But I cleaned house during the President's Day sale. I got, yeah, a new TV place. I got like, I think back in the old days they called them a buffet, but like a sideboard that, like, you know, you can put decor on and it has shelves inside of it. And so yeah, I built that. I built the TV stand. I got a new like a ladder bookshelf case, like a bigger one. So now I want to go into the shade Heart Eyes. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush. Oh my god, I'm afraid of purple. You guys know I'm not a fan of purple, but I'm trying because you guys swear that I do really love purple. It's not that I think it's ugly or anything. It's just, I don't know. I don't enjoy purple things. I kind of guess I kind of do, because this is actually really pretty. But I love this color. It's kind of like a deeper orchid purple. I'll say the purples in this palette are definitely a little more my style. I like them to be a little more vibrant. That is gorgeous. Trying not to get too carried away, just trying to keep it really tight in the crease there and a little bit into the inner half. My god, that is beautiful. Now I can't stop. I love this color. This is a cute palette. I'm glad I decided to use this today. That is so, so cute. I love it. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is my Sigma E54 medium sweeper, and I'm going to spritz it with some setting spray. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. It's basically always what I'm using. And I'm first going to jump into the shade Candygram. Oh, it's really crumbly, so be careful. A lot of fallout on that one. And I'm gonna pop this on the outer half, marry it right into the crease. Super pretty metallic. I'd say it's a little more like plummy than straight up purple, but it's got those hues. Really gorgeous, really romantic. Taking it about halfway. Love this one wet. Wow, that is so metallic. That is gorgeous. It's really pretty. I'm gonna spritz another brush. This is my E55 from Sigma, and I wanna go into the shade Kiss Me right here. It's kind of this cool purpley blue duochrome color. It looks really interesting, actually. And I wanna pop that on the inner half. Ooh, this is a fun makeup look. This has such a cool blue flip to it. Like, it is really cool. It's purple, but yet in the light, you see that blue. This is awesome. I love it. This is like such a simple look we're doing right now, and yet it's like breathtaking. I love makeup like that. Oh my gosh. I just love not needing to try so hard, you know? It's exhausting. I love these eyes. I don't want to do anything else to them. I think they are perfect. I'm actually just gonna take a little bit of, So Fine under my lower lash line here. Just smudge that in a bit because I don't really like to leave this bare, but I didn't want anything too loud. I don't really want the focus to be there. Oh yeah, this is perfect. It's funny, it looks a lot more neutral in the pan than I think it is in like real life. In real life, it still is a little kind of mauve-y. I actually like this. I like this a lot. I actually love it. That blue color, this one right here, the Kiss Me shade, is just unreal. That looks so, so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and probably just a slight winged liner to complete this look, and I'll be right back and we'll finally get onto the live swatches of the new glossy Luxe lip glosses. Eyes are all done. I freaking love this purple look. I freaking love it. You guys are encouraging me to get over my purple phobia, which I swear I have. I hate purple, even though I think internally, like, I love purple. Like, what's wrong with me? I'm not sure. But anyway, I think this is the cutest little palette. I really, really do. I mean, it is called URAQT. Again, this is from Colourpop. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But now, the reason why you're probably all here, we're going to be live swatching the new Colourpop Luxe Gloss. So like I said, we have 8 glosses here, and they look nice and milky. I'm excited to see how they actually go on. A good array of colors, a lot of terracottas, some sweet peaches, some pinks, and kind of a plummy color. So, The first shade here is called Just Cuddle. I could go for Just a Cuddle just about now. Wow, these look really opaque. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Shut up, shit. Huh. Okay, so once you actually get them on, they definitely do pack color. You can see how muted my lips look now with this. A little too muted for my liking. This is one I would have to use with a lip liner because I just need a defined lip line. This isn't the good old days where we would put like foundation or concealer on our lips and then like a little gloss on top. I am terrified of my old lip color preferences, but I will say I'm shocked at how much color these pack, actually. Very huggable to the lips. It's definitely a thicker lip gloss. It's almost like a fusion between a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss, if that makes any sense at all, because it feels like it just really sticks on there. Like, it's intense. It's not like goopy and gross and like too gooey, but it feels really long wearing. So if you're someone who's a gloss person, you might want to take a look at these because it feels like it's not going anywhere. Like, I'm gonna need some makeup remover to remove this, or like a wipe situation. But yeah, there is the shade Just Cuddle. The next shade is called Ticklish. This is a really cute kind of baby peachy pink. It also has a bunch of little teeny tiny micro glitters in there, which I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera. I'm wondering how much we'll be able to see them on the face, or on the lips rather, but they're really cute, really tiny, and they look kind of blue, pink, green, sort of like a fairy rainbow. Fairy rainbow colors, yeah. I also do want to point out that there's not like a big, heavy, obnoxious scent. I know a lot of people cannot stand the grapefruit scent that the Just a Tints have. I really love the grapefruit scent, but a lot of people don't care for it. This does not have it. If anything, it's like caramelly, I would say. I do see the glitter. This one's definitely more sheer, not quite as opaque as the past one. This one, you see the little baby glitters in it, and it's really cute. One thing I'll definitely say about it is it's not like an extreme shine gloss. It gives you like a healthy gloss without being super goopy on the lips, but I don't know how to describe how it like legit like hugs the lips. Like, it feels like it's not gonna come off. Like, it's a really long wearing lip gloss, I think. So there is the shade Ticklish. The next lip color is called Overnight. Ooh, this one looks like super peachy. See how like opaque they are? Like that's kind of crazy for lip gloss. You can definitely sheer them out, but I would say that they are layerable if you want that amount of color. Wow. That is crazy. I love this color. So far, this would be my favorite color. Obviously not with this eyeshadow, but I do love a good peach on the lips just at any point in time. So again, there is the shade Overnight. The next shade is called Blissful, and this is what I like to call a princess lip. It's a beautiful kind of princessy pink with little gold sparkle in it. Total princess lip. For show. For show. Little side note, I really like the applicators on these. It's kind of a fatter doe foot, and I love how like kind of small they are. You could fit this in a little clutch. Sometimes I hate how long glosses are. I don't think it's so necessary because they just make the product super long, but the amount that you're getting is super tiny. So I prefer it to be tiny. You know what I mean? So you can slip it in your jean pocket at a concert or something like that. Really pretty pink. Kind of gave just a fresh look to the lips. And I definitely see a lot of that gold sparkle, but it's not obnoxious. It's kind of like, is that a little sparkle? It's cute. Not a lot of color, but a cute amount. Especially for like eyes like this. This is the type of lip that I would want. I wouldn't want anything too loud, kind of trying to fight the lip color. You know what I mean? So there is the shade Blissful. The next shade is called Tied Up. Colourpop, how feisty. This one I'm really excited about. I was hoping for this color. See how it's like a your lip but better color? See how I didn't apply it to the top yet, only the bottom, and it just kind of just makes your own lips a little juicier without being too loud. Ooh, she is cute. This is just like my go-to day-to-day type of lip color. Just something to liven them up a bit and to make them look a little prettier without being like super like, hi, how are ya? I love lip color. I mean, I have those days too, but just for like casual wear, something like this is perfect. This one also has a teeny tiny bit of sparkle in it, but I don't see it quite as much as the others. So this, if you're not a big fan of sparkle, I think you probably wouldn't even notice it much in this one, but love this color. Great go-to. That again is the shade Tied Up. Ooh, I like this one. This next shade is called Come Through. These last three shades are kind of more in this warm, almost terracotta-y family, which I adore. Come summertime, they will look gorgeous. I mean, they're fine now too, I'm just saying. I think of summer when I see those colors. I hope you guys can see like how much color they really do add. Top lip versus bottom lip. This is my new favorite because it almost looks more neutral. It's not too berry. It's not too warm. It's hard to pick a favorite gloss because I feel like gloss is gloss is gloss is gloss. You know what I'm saying? But this gloss, I like this gloss, especially with a nice like either a nude lip liner or like a brownish or terracotta-ish lip liner. I think it would look really, really nice. I think a lot of people would love this one. Again, this is the shade Come Through. The next shade is called Drama Queen. This one has no little sparkles in it, no little glitters. It's just creamy looking. Oh, wow. A lot of color. That really brightened things up. This is fun. Okay, I'm getting way too excited for summer right now. This has me so excited for summer. Think of like a cute little coral lip liner and this like smack dab in the middle. Ooh, fiery girls, I'm telling you. Colourpop's gonna have us looking cute this summer. Oh my god, what type of collections do you think they're gonna do in the summertime? I can't wait. I want like a bronzed goddess palette. Let's do something like that. I also really want them to have a Jackie Aina collection. I pray for it. I pray for it more than me having a collection. I want Jackie Aina to have a collection. Anyway, another one of my top colors in here. And at the end of this, I'll of course let you know all my top picks, but this is definitely one of them. So there is the shade Drama Queen. And the very last shade is called Slow Motion. Ooh, so rich. Rich terracotta goodness with a little rose. Oh my god, look how much color that like instantly gave my lips. They're really interesting, you guys, I'm telling you. They're like a fusion between a lip gloss and like a lip tint and a lip satin. They're not just like your standard light lip gloss. They have some grip to it. They're strong. And that gave a lot of color. I love this one. That is the shade Slow Motion, super warm and just nice. Yeah, I feel good in this one. This shade, I feel like I don't need a lip liner. You know what I mean? So super cute. So you guys, that was it for the Luxe lip glosses. Did you have a favorite? Is this an absolute necessity in your life or are these totally skippable? I'll be honest, I thought that they were skippable, so I didn't even do a video on them, and now I feel stupid because I actually really freaking like them. I love how intensely they like want to stay on the mouth. With gloss, that can be really hard to find, so I love that. They just like want to stay put. It's weird because they don't have that same like goopy consistency that you're like uncomfortable all day. My favorites, honestly, though I would need a lip liner with it, I'm kind of crazy about this first nude one, Just Cuddle. It's like so peachy nude. I really want to play with this more with some lip liner. Again, this is not one I could wear by itself. The next one would be Overnight. I love, again, the peachy tone of it is fantastic. It has a little more color to it than Just Cuddle. If you want to see them side by side, here they are. So a little more coral in Overnight than Just Cuddle, but I love them both, I can't lie. The next one would be Tied Up. That really pretty kind of mauve-y, but almost went on more like berry toned on the lips. It kind of really gave you your lip but better type of color. And then, oh my god, it's hard to choose between these. Oh no! It's hard to choose between the last three because they are so similar. I would say Drama Queen. I don't so much love glitter in lips. I just don't. So I would leave Come Through out of my favorites, and I would put Drama Queen and Slow Motion in there. Did I really choose 5 favorites? Okay, so out of these 5, what would I narrow it down to? Out of these 5, I would take out Tied Up. I keep wanting to eliminate another, but I really don't think I can. These are my favorites. Just Cuddle, Overnight, Slow Motion, and Drama Queen. It doesn't matter what my favorites are. Buy what you think you'll actually use. You don't need every single shade, not whatsoever. Unless they have a really good deal on the bundle, don't run out and buy them all. You don't need them all. I'm being your friend here. You guys always get mad at me because I make you buy everything. I'm telling you, you don't need every one of these lip glosses. Not whatsoever. If you're gonna pick some up, just grab the few that you'll actually use. Lip glosses last us forever. Like, how many people? I think maybe under 5 times in my life I've gone through an entire lip gloss before. So don't run out and get the bundle if you don't need it. But they are really nice, really huggable. I'm really excited for them in the summertime because they feel like they're just gonna stay put. Also, again, I loved this palette. I'm glad I used it today. I've been avoiding it like the plague, but I actually think this is pretty cute. I'm almost wondering, since I'm transitioning to more of a blonde hair color, if it's making me like purple more now. I wonder if when my hair was dark, like purple was intimidating to me. I don't know. The things I wonder, it's ridiculous. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this eye makeup look as well as my swatches of the Luxe lip glosses. Both are available now. They've already been out, so you may have already picked them up, but if not, I will link them down below for you. Stay tuned for a hair tutorial. I show you guys how I curl my hair, which again, I don't think is anything special, but you guys ask for it all the time, so I finally got around to doing it. And yeah, I have a foundation review coming up this week, a vegan foundation, super exciting, from the drugstore. What? Big stuff is happening, you guys, big stuff. So I love you so much, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!